Hello, I am Supervisory Diversion Investigator Nikita Prince. After a Narcotic Treatment Program or NTP application is electronically submitted to the Drug Enforcement Administration's website, it is assigned to a DEA diversion group located at a DEA field office for comprehensive review. If the application contains all the required information, a pre-registration review is initiated. This administrative process, which takes place prior to the issuance of a DEA Certificate of Registration, is handled by a DEA Diversion Investigator, or DI. Typically, the DI will contact the signee of the application either telephonically, by email, or both. At that time, the DI will review the application for accuracy and completeness and collect preliminary information. The DI will also verify whether the proper licensing requirements are in place. Additionally, the DI will discuss with you the security measures in place to prevent diversion at the NTP location. Security measures serve as the first line of defense against the diversion of controlled medications. After scheduling an on-site visit, the DEA diversion investigators will travel to the NTP location to evaluate the physical location to be registered. Additionally, they will conduct interviews of relevant staff members, review the prospective standard operating procedures relevant to the handling of controlled medications, and check the security measures in place. Upon completion of the pre-registration review, the DI will document the results in a report and discuss the application with a DEA supervisor. If approved, the local DEA field office finalizes the NTP application process by concurring with the issuance of a DEA Certificate of Registration, DEA Form 223. Once completed, a digital certificate will be provided using the email address included on the application. If required, a duplicate certificate can be requested and downloaded through the DEA diversion website. Upon receipt of the original DEA Certificate of Registration, the NTP can start ordering Food and Drug Administration approved controlled medications for the treatment of opioid use disorder in service patients. At any point during this process, should you need to get in touch with a DI in your local area, please visit the Diversion Control Division website at www.deadiversion.usdoj.gov and click on the About Us menu, then on Contact Us. Please refer to the QR codes on your screen for additional information.